Okay, so number 17. Excuse me. We are going to use a significance level of 0.05, and we're going to select the correct conclusion about the null hypothesis, or fail to reject it, or we're going to reject it or fail to reject it, compared to the test statistic that was given. The test statistic in this left tail test, z equals negative 1.83. So 0.05, that is going to be, oh boy, that's pretty bad. Try that again. A little better. So here's my sketch. So this is 0. And this area here, it's a left tail test. So this area is 0.05. It's all on the left hand side. And if it's all, oh, I'm out of the video. If it's all on the left hand side here, this z alpha is going to be equal to negative 1.645. I just remembered that because we did a problem earlier with a 90% confidence level, and the z alpha over 2 was negative 1.645 because 5% is on the left hand side. It's also on a table that you can see if you don't memorize it or don't have it written down. So that being said, z alpha is negative 1.645. The test statistic that we're dealing with is negative 1.83. So visually, that's going to be like here, right? This is the z equals negative 1.83. So just by looking at this, we can see that we're in the critical region. So we are we're in the critical region. So we're actually going to reject the null hypothesis based on this visual. But you're asked to calculate the p-value, and the p-value is the area to the left of your test statistic in the left tail test. So it's this green area. So I know one thing. I know it's going to be less than 0.05. How do I find it? You can use the normal CDF function in the calculator, or you can use the table for the z value of negative 1.83. So negative 9999999, basically negative infinity to negative 1.83 is going to produce for you the area to the left at that point, and it's going to be 0.0336, 0.0336, which is smaller than 0.05. So that makes sense. And this is the p-value right here. This is the p-value.